Hello there, welcome back. It's been a long time. We've moved, so we're in a new location. So I'm in a completely different area to I was before, and it's a bit strange. Just a short one today. Just a few mods I've got. Visual mods, not mechanical mods. But yeah, just let me know what you think. I found out the other day someone hit the car. It's my temporary fix until a new light comes. Alright, so first job. I've got these reflective patches. I'm just gonna see if I can do this like this. If not, I'll have to do it off camera. There's one on there. Two. You get the gist. I'll do the rest. All four of the wheels, and I'll be back. Right, there's one side done, and there's the other side. Let me know what you think, because I don't know. We'll see at night time. Now for the penis de resistance. Yeah. Gonna need 2 hands for that though. Catch you in a sec. There we have it. Nice. A few mods, it's not much. Not entirely sure how I feel about the wheels, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Do your thing. If you like it, let me know what you think. So leave a little comment, and till next time, hope you're good.